How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. So what you're going to do is open up your Facebook, go ahead to your profile section over here, scroll down until you find settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, just go ahead into the settings over here and you can directly search for information. So that's the keyword you're gonna look for, information, and press on the export or download your information. In our case, we're going to press the download your information. That way it's much easier. So it's going to lead you to a little section where you can export your information. So either to an external service or into the device you're using. So press on create and export and choose wherever you want to export this information. So in our case, we'll be going for my device. And finally, what you'll have to do is just press on the customize information. And since you just want the messages, just go ahead and press on messages right here and then just save. Once you've saved, just go and get the date range of how long or the date rates of the messages you want to download. So just go ahead and choose that. You can either take all time as well if you want all of it as well, but that will take longer to download, and there is a custom option as well. But make sure to always press save whenever you choose an option. And for the format, you could either choose HTML or JSON, then save. And finally, the media quality, so whichever quality you want, go ahead and save and then press on start the export. But once you do that, you should be able to wait for a bit and they should send you the actual file for the downloaded messages from your Messenger Facebook. But you have to put in your password as well and just go ahead and continue. But that's pretty much how you can download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.